MCQs related to networks and communication. A computer network is interconnection of two or more dash. Option A printers, option B monitors, option C computers, option D hard disks. And the right answer is option C computers. The data is transferred from one place to another through dash. Option A mouse, option B keyboard, option C storage device, option D transmission media. And the right answer is option D transmission media. Which of the following is a communication device? Option A mouse, option B modem, option C monitor, option D printer. And the right answer is option B modem. Which device is used to send messages, data, or information to other devices? Option A receiving device, option B sending device, option C communication device, option D input device. And the right answer is option B sending device. Which of the following network is confined to a relatively small area? Option A internet, option B WAN, option C MAN, option D LAN. And the right answer is option D LAN. In a WAN, W stands for dash. Option A width, option B wire, option C wide, option D hole. And the right answer is option C wide. Which is powerful computer that facilitates the whole network by providing variety of services to the computer or devices connected to a network? Option A server, option B client, option C PC, option D laptop. And the right answer is option A server. Dash is an expansion card that enables a computer to connect to a network. Option A network interface card, option B VGA card, option C fax card, option D sound card. And the right answer is option A network interface card. Dash is a type of wire that consists of a center wire surrounded by insulation and then a grounded shield of braided wire. Option A fiber optic, option B UTP, option C STP, and option D coaxial cable. And the right answer is option D coaxial cable. Which of the following is the fastest transmission media? Option A UTP cable, option B STP cable, option C fiber optic cable, option D coaxial cable. And the right answer is option C fiber optic cable. MCQs related to computer security threats. Which of the following is a malicious program that replicates and spreads independently and harms the computer? Option A virus, option B worm, option C adware, option D spyware. And the right answer is option B worm. Which malicious program records users' behavior on the internet, display ads, and can even download other malicious software onto the computer? Option A virus, option B spyware, option C adware, option D worm. And the right answer is option C adware. A website that is set up to spread a virus or for some other unethical purpose is called an dash. Option A, secure website. Option B, non-informative website. Option C, informative website. Option D, insecure website. And the right answer is option D, insecure website. Which of the following is a computer program that detects, prevents, and takes action to deactivate and remove malicious programs? Option A, virus program. Option B, operating system. Option C, antivirus program. Option D, word processor. And the right answer is option C, antivirus program. Dash contains the information about malware which can be used to identify them. Option A, virus definition file. Option B, word file. Option C, Excel file. Option D, email attachment. And the right answer is option A, virus definition file. Which of the following is the common source of spreading viruses in computers? Option A, infected flash drives or disks. Option B, email attachments. Option C, surfing insecure websites. Option D, installing pirated software. And the right answer is option A, infected flash drives or disks. Dash is the unauthorized use of computer, network, and its resources. Option A, programming. Option B, hacking. Option C, stealing. Option D, robbing. And the right answer is option B, hacking. MCQs related to spreadsheets in Excel. Where is Microsoft Office button located in Excel window? Option A, top left. Option B, top right. Option C, bottom left. Option D, bottom right. And the right answer is option A, top left. How many command tabs are there in Excel 2007 window by default? Option A, 5. Option B, 6. Option C, 7. Option D, 8. And the right answer is option C, 7. In Excel, which of the following is the intersection of a row and a column? Option A, table. Option B, form. Option C, cell. Option D, formula. And the right answer is option C, cell. Which of the following is spreadsheet software? Option A, Word. Option B, PowerPoint. Option C, Access. Option D, Excel. And the right answer is option D, Excel. Which of the following bars gives access to the frequently used commands in Excel? Option A, quick access toolbar. Option B, formatting toolbar. Option C, status bar. Option D, scroll bar. And the right answer is option A, quick access toolbar. By default, how many sheet tabs are available in Excel workbook? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 5. And the right answer is option B, 3. Dash are arranged vertically in an Excel worksheet. Option A, rows. Option B, columns. Option C, cells. Option D, active cells. And the right answer is option B, columns. Which is currently selected cell in a spreadsheet called? Option A, first cell. Option B, main cell. Option C, active cell. Option D, any cell. And the right answer is option C, active cell. Dash consists of the column letter and row number that intersect at the cell's location. Option A, cell address. Option B, cell location, option C, selected cell, option D, active cell. And the right answer is option A, cell address. What is the purpose of cut paste command? Option A, copies the content from one cell to another location. Option B, moves the content from one cell to another location. Option C, deletes the content without copying. Option D, have no effect on cell content. And the right answer is option B, moves the contents from one cell to another location. MCQs related to problem solving. How many elements a problem has? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4, and the right answer is option C 3. What is the solution to a problem called? Option A problem solving, option B problem statement, option C identifying problem, option D ignoring problem, and the right answer is option A problem solving. A dash is an obstacle, hurdle, difficulty, or challenge, or any situation that needs to be removed or solved. Option A answer, option B solution, option C situation, option D problem, and the right answer is option D problem. What is the name of the problem statement element that we give to the computer as a raw material to solve the problem? Option A input, option B output, option C process, option D idea. The right answer is option A input. Dash is the result which is obtained by processing the input data. Option A input, option B output, option C process, option D algorithm. And the right answer is option B output. Which symbol is used to show decision process in the flow chart? Option A oval, option B rectangle, option C diamond, option D parallelogram. And the right answer is option C diamond. In flowchart, which symbol uses only one flow line? Option A terminal, option B processing, option C decision, option D input. And the right answer is option A terminal. Which symbol is used to represent a process in the flowchart? Option A oval, option B rectangle, option C diamond, option D parallelogram. And the right answer is option B rectangle. MCQs related to computer programming in GW Basic. A sequence of instructions given to the computer to perform a specific task is called dash. Option A data, option B program, option C programming, option D information. And the right answer is option B program. What is the named space in the computer's memory whose value can be changed during the execution of a program? Option A variable, option B constant, option C program, option D data. And the right answer is option A variable. In basic programming language, which character is used as a last character with string variable? Option A question mark, option B ampersand, option C percentage, option D dollar sign. And the right answer is option D dollar sign. Which shortcut key is used to apply run command in GW Basic? Option A F1, option B F2, option C F3, option D F4. And the right answer is option B F2. Which of the following error cannot be detected by a computer? Option A syntax error, option B runtime error, option C logical error, option D, execution error. And the right answer is option C, logical error. Which of the following is a logical operator? Option A, plus, option B, negative sign, option C, greater than sign, option D, slash. And the right answer is option C, greater than sign. Which of the following operator has the highest priority? Option A, plus, option B, caret symbol, option C, negative sign, option D, multiplication sign. The right answer is option B, caret symbol. If A equal to 5, B equal to 3 and C equal to 2, what will be the answer of the following expression? And expression is A plus B steric C. Option A, 10, option B, 11, option C, 13, option D, 16. And the right answer is option B, 11. Which of the following statements is used to accept data from the user during program execution? Option A, print, option B, load, option C, read data, option D, input. And the right answer is option D, input. The set of rules that define the combination of symbols used by programming language is called dash. Option A, syntax, option B, data, option C, program, option D, logic. And the right answer is option A, syntax.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Please share this video to others. If you have any question, please ask in comments. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, like video, and press bell icon for new video notifications. Thank you very much again.